For people who enjoy riding motorcycles, one company stands out for building beautiful and durable bikes. That company is Harley-Davidson. The bikes are most popular in America, but they are famous all over the world. Harley-Davidson is an American motorcycle maker. They started making motorcycles in the city of Milwaukee in 1903. The company makes heavyweight motorcycles that are designed for driving on the highway. The bikes are called Harleys. Harleys have a special look and sound. Most new Harleys are made to look like old Harleys. Harley-Davidson made small motorcycles in the US and in Italy, but they didn't sell well. They stopped making small motorcycles in the US in 1966 and in Italy in 1978. Harley-Davidson motorcycles have many fans. The fans can join clubs and go to events or to Harley-Davidson's museum. Apart from selling motorcycles, Harley-Davidson also charges fees for companies to put Harley-Davidson's logos on the things they make.